Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight is a stir-fry kind of night, chicken stir-fry kind of night. And what I'm doing right now actually is I'm gonna put some spring rolls in the air fryer. So let me get this ready before I go on to making the stir fry, which is easy dinner tonight. I use, okay, let's get this out of the way first. Okay, spring rolls ready, into the air fryer. I put the air fryer on for temperature 200 Celsius for 10 minutes. Should be good enough. I'm gonna check it halfway anyways. In the meantime, I am going to put together a stir fry. Very simple dinner tonight. Fast, simple. Okay. I'm gonna use my wok. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in there. Usually I use the sesame oil, but I don't have any left today. I didn't go do my shopping. So this oil, the olive oil or vegetable oil, will do. I prefer olive oil over vegetable oil. Okay. I already got some frozen veggies here, which I'm going to add to my pot, add to my wok. Just let this warm up for a little bit and add that. And then I'm going to get my chicken ready. Now, sometimes what I do, okay, that's fine. Okay, sometimes what I do is I'll make this over rice, just plain rice. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll make it over some type of noodle. Today though, a girlfriend of mine gave me these noodles, flour sticks. Now, this is a Filipino. It's a Filipino noodle. I've never made them before, but I'm going to attempt to make them today. Apparently, they're supposed to be really easy to make. So, you just put them in the wok, mixed with your with some chicken broth. Okay. So I'm going to cover this up and just leave that alone for 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to get my chicken ready. In the meantime, I'm going to get my chicken ready. I'm going to slice this up, little slices, little chunks. That was quick. Turn the food. Okay. We're gonna turn you. Let's turn these spring rolls. Okay, I don't think you guys can see what I'm doing here. All I'm doing is I'm cutting up the chicken in very small pieces. Okay. I have 3 breasts that I'm doing. By the way, I just got home from work. I work an 8-hour day. It is now 5:20. My husband gets home at about 5:45. And I try to have dinner ready for 6 o'clock. That's why I try to make fast and easy dinners. Nutritious. Let's turn that down. Nutritious and fast. Actually, I usually make this into strips, but this chicken today, I'm gonna cut it even smaller because I'm gonna mix it in with that noodle. Okay, I'm going back to my side. Those vegetables are nearly ready. So I'm going to throw this chicken in and then put my spices. My soy sauce, my oyster sauce, maybe a little bit of, I don't know, teriyaki. Let me see what I got. Let me see what I got on hand. Beautiful. Okay, throw this in. Put the heat back up. That's gonna come out good. Fast, easy dish tonight. I love it. Okay, spring rolls should be ready. 10 minutes. Beautiful. They came out very nice. You can't see me. Okay, yeah, nice. We're gonna let them sit now. I'm just gonna leave them in the machine. The machine is off, so that they'll sit there and just keep warm. Okay. In the meantime, our chicken is cooking with the veggies. Oh. Okay. Let that continue cooking. And let me get my my spices. Okay. So we got soy sauce, teriyaki sauce, and oyster sauce. Okay, the chicken is nearly ready. Give it another couple of minutes, and then we'll put our sauces. Okay, we're gonna add our spices now. So we got the soy sauce that I'm adding to the chicken. Okay, I've got the oyster sauce. This is the oyster sauce that I use. I love it. We're going to put in some teriyaki stir-fry sauce. Just going to let that simmer for about 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna add my my chicken broth. Put that down to medium for a bit. Okay. Okay. I'm going to bring that to a boil. And then I'm going to add these noodles. You add the noodles right to this. Because apparently these noodles will absorb the liquid. And that's it. They're ready. I've never had these before. I've never tried making them. Hopefully it's gonna work. Okay. I'll see you in a bit. I'm just gonna bring this to a boil and then I'll be right back. Okay, so we got the chicken broth is boiling. Now we're gonna put these noodles in. Apparently they're gonna absorb the liquid, and that's when they're done. I think I'm gonna put this, I should put this on like a medium heat. It's gonna absorb the liquid. So far, looks good. I think I have to put it on medium. Okay. Tonight is one of those trial and error kind of nights. So far, so good. Okay. So actually, this is not even it's not a real, like, stir fry anymore. I don't know what this is called. I know they have a name. Pancit canton. Pancit canton. Flour sticks. Product of the Philippines. I don't know, to me this is like a mixture of, it's like a Chinese noodle. Mixed with the veggies and the chicken. It looks good. It's starting to dry up. I want to try one of these noodles. Oh, that's tasty. Well, I guess with the soya sauce, the oyster sauce, and then I put some teriyaki sauce in there. Obviously, it's going to be tasty, right? Oh, I think I'm going to have to make this again. For sure. I'd like to thank my Filipino girlfriend at work for giving me the noodles. Okay. Perfect. It's absorbing the liquid. It's nearly done. I'll catch you in a bit. This came out delicious. Look at that. Amazing. It tastes just as good as it looks. Look at, just beautiful. Dinner's on the table. Enjoy. Peace out.